Do you want to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram? You can add 20 photos to an Instagram post with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To add more than 10 pictures in a single post on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, tap the plus icon at the top right of your Instagram profile. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Post. Now, a new screen will appear where you can choose multiple photos and videos. To select more than 10 pictures, first tap on the Multiple Select icon. Now, choose multiple photos or videos one by one from your device gallery. You can choose up to 20 images or videos. Once selected, tap Next in the top right corner of the screen. A new screen will appear with various editing options. Here, you can edit or crop pictures, and add filters and music. When you're done editing, tap the Next button to proceed. Now, a post preview screen will appear where you can add a caption, tag people, or add a location. Lastly, tap on the Share button to publish a post with more than 10 pictures. By following these simple steps, you can share up to 20 pictures with your followers on Instagram.